So we now have a basic understanding of relations and functions. We know how to tell whether a relation is a function, and we know what functions look like when you graph them and what they don't look like. So the first group of functions that's good to introduce and start working with in a more math sense would be linear equations or linear functions. So that's what we got up here. And this is an example of a linear equation or a linear function. You'll see them written in different ways, and we'll get into that, but we'll start with this. 5x minus y equals 1. This is a linear equation or linear function. Linear equations have two variables. So we have an x variable and a y variable, so that checks out. And oftentimes with linear equations, you're going to be asked to find the solutions to linear equations. And what does that mean? Well, that just means finding all of the values of x and y that when you plug them in together at the same time, they make both sides of the equation equal to each other. And this is fundamentally how you graph. This is graphing, right? You want to find x and y values that when you plug them in at the same time, you get both sides of the equation to equal to each other. And once you get enough solutions and you get a list of points that work, and then when you plug them in, it satisfies both sides. When you graph those points and plot them on a graph, connect the dots, you'll get something that looks like a straight line. So linear equations will look like this. They'll be diagonal like this, kind of sloping positively, like going up. You'll see them sloped like this, diagonal, going kind of negative. You can see them graphed straight up and down like a vertical line, or horizontally, right? These are all examples of graphs of linear equations or linear functions. So just get familiar with these, because this is really all you're going to see when working with linear equations. So next video, we're going to look at this equation some more and learn how to graph it.